Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Gebhardt, artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the world, but also the rail industry as well. From predictive maintenance to infrastructure for optimizing train operations, AI has the capability to not only enhance efficiency, but reliability and safety. And I think that's important to note. Can you shed light on how AI is going to impact the rail industry in a positive way?
Yeah, we have been working very closely with AI and developing that, but we're pacing it based on the real capabilities. We're making sure it's being tested. As I had mentioned earlier, we pull in about 10 million data messages a day from our locomotives around the world, and we process all of that. We've really been working over the last several years, last decade or so, with deterministic rules that are if-then type statements, let's put it that way. Now we're starting to do more and more with AI, but as we understand AI, we always have a human in the loop as that goes back. So we have automated rules that are deterministic. The AI, there's a human in the loop on that. When we look at condition-based maintenance and those types of things, we are using the AI to really pull forward that data so we know where can we extend intervals, where do we need to shorten intervals, and then even within the engineering side, how do we improve the components to make sure we can continue to extend that and focus on safety. We make sure we focus very much on how do we make our products safer and safer. But AI is a fantastic tool. At this point, we're really doing a lot of things with human in the loop. The only place that we're doing full AI is really around visual tools, where we have a new rail spiker that we're doing, where we can actually use AI in order to shoot the spikes in automatically, those types of things that are non-safety related and things that that really take a lot of the visual technology. That's where we're using a lot of AI.
Thank you. You had mentioned earlier about Rail Ghost, is that right?
Yes.
Can you describe that? So this is a robotic device?
Yeah, this is a robotic device, and the goal is that longer term will be robotics and visual AI. So it has about 16, 18 wheels on the sides there, and it actually flows under the train. And each of the wheels snaps back as it goes under the train. And what we're doing now is we're putting cameras, thermal guns, other things on this platform, and therefore we'll be able to augment the inspections as it goes through. And we're very excited about it. And we can move it at about 12 miles an hour, so it can move very quickly through there, be able to put the data right in the hand of the yard workers to go ahead and see exactly what's going on there, maybe follow up with an inspection afterwards on those types of things. And then what's also pretty cool about it is that we put it in what's called turtle mode, where it can actually drop down inside the rails, and then the train can just pull right over it and just go right out on the outgoing side of things. So we're really excited about the technology, working with a couple of the Class 1s on this at this point to make sure that we can meet all their needs that they're looking for.
And Mr. Gebhardt, is there anything that is holding you back in that regard? Are there any regulations or laws that we need to evaluate that are going to hold your industry back from innovating?
Yeah, so on that particular case of Rail Ghost, there's not much holding us back on that one. I had mentioned the 0-to-0, trying to get the waivers for 0-to-0 to go ahead and move forward with that, which is the extension of our Trip Optimizer adaptive cruise control product. That's one that we're working to try to move that one along.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I yield back.